If all of Antarctica's ice suddenly melted, the consequences would be catastrophic for the planet. The Antarctic ice sheet holds about 60% of the world's freshwater and contains enough ice to raise global sea levels by approximately 58 meters, 190 feet, while in reality, such a rapid melting event is impossible due to the laws of physics. Imagining a scenario where all the ice melts at once helps us understand the potential impact on Earth's climate, ecosystems, and human civilization. Global sea level rise and flooding. One of the most immediate and devastating consequences of Antarctica's ice melting would be a dramatic rise in sea levels. Coastal cities such as New York, London, Shanghai, Mumbai, and Sydney would be completely submerged, displacing hundreds of millions of people. Many low-lying countries, such as the Netherlands, Bangladesh, and island nations like the Maldives and Tuvalu, would be wiped off the map. The loss of land would force mass migrations inland, creating unprecedented refugee crises. Agricultural lands near coastal areas, including major rice-growing regions in Asia and fertile farmlands in North America, would be lost, leading to global food shortages and economic instability. Disruptions to global climate. Antarctica plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Its white ice sheets reflect sunlight, albedo effect, keeping the planet cool. If Antarctica melted, the darker ocean surface would absorb more heat, leading to further warming of the planet. This feedback loop would accelerate global temperature rise, worsening climate change effects. Moreover, the influx of cold freshwater into the oceans would disrupt ocean currents, such as the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, AMOC, which helps regulate temperatures in the northern hemisphere. Without this circulation, parts of Europe and North America could experience extreme cold, while the tropics could become unbearably hot. Extreme weather events. A world without Antarctic ice would experience more frequent and intense storms, hurricanes, and heatwaves. As sea levels rise, storm surges would reach farther inland, devastating coastal regions. The increase in ocean temperatures would fuel stronger hurricanes, leading to more destruction in already vulnerable areas like the Caribbean and the southeastern United States. Droughts would also become more severe in regions like Africa, Australia, and the western United States, leading to water shortages, crop failures, and wildfires. Loss of biodiversity. Antarctica is home to unique wildlife, including penguins, seals, and krill, which form the base of the Southern Ocean food chain. The loss of ice would disrupt these ecosystems, leading to mass extinctions. Krill populations, which feed on algae under the ice, would decline, affecting whales, fish, and seabirds that depend on them. Warmer oceans would also lead to coral bleaching, killing off marine ecosystems that support millions of species. Many fish species that humans rely on for food could face extinction, worsening the global food crisis. Release of greenhouse gases. Beneath Antarctica's ice are large deposits of methane, a potent greenhouse gas. If the ice melted, this methane would be released into the atmosphere, further accelerating global warming. This is similar to what's happening in the Arctic permafrost, but on a much larger scale. Human civilization and economic collapse. The loss of Antarctica's ice would trigger economic collapse, as industries relying on stable climates, such as agriculture, fisheries, and tourism, would struggle to survive. Governments would face trillions of dollars in damages, and many nations would be unable to cope with the scale of disaster. Mass migrations from flooded areas could lead to conflicts over land, water, and resources, increasing geopolitical tensions. Countries might go to war over dwindling freshwater supplies, and social instability could become widespread.